In recent years, the minimalist design movement has gained significant traction, particularly among homeowners seeking to create affordable yet stylish living spaces. Central to this aesthetic is the use of minimalist wood pieces, which offer numerous benefits that align perfectly with the principles of modern home decor. The integration of wood into minimalist design not only enhances the visual appeal of a space, but also contributes to functionality, sustainability, and overall well-being. One of the primary advantages of using minimalist wood pieces in home decor is their ability to create a sense of warmth and comfort. While modern design often emphasizes clean lines and simplicity, it can sometimes feel cold or sterile. Wood, with its natural grain and texture, adds an inviting element that softens the starkness of minimalist spaces. This warmth is particularly important in creating a home environment that feels nurturing and welcoming. In contrast to synthetic materials, which can lack character, wood brings a sense of authenticity and connection to nature, fostering a serene atmosphere that resonates with occupants. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of minimalist wood pieces ideas for affordable modern homes. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In addition to aesthetic appeal, minimalist wood pieces offer remarkable versatility. The simplicity of minimalist design allows wooden furniture to take center stage without overwhelming the space. Whether it's a sleek wooden table or a streamlined bookshelf, these pieces can serve as focal points that enhance the overall design while remaining functional. This adaptability is crucial in modern homes, where multifunctional furniture is often needed to maximize limited space. Minimalist wood pieces can easily fit into various design schemes, seamlessly integrating with other materials and styles, thus allowing homeowners to express their personal tastes without compromising on functionality. The durability of wood is another significant benefit that makes it an ideal choice for minimalist furniture. Quality wood can withstand the wear and tear of daily life, making it a smart investment for budget-conscious homeowners. Unlike many contemporary materials that may wear out or become outdated quickly, well-crafted wooden pieces can last for generations. This durability not only translates to cost savings in terms of replacements, but also aligns with sustainable practices. The longevity of wood furniture means that homeowners can make a one-time investment that continues to serve them well over time, reducing the need for frequent purchases and, consequently, waste. Sustainability is a growing concern for many consumers, and using wood in minimalist design can greatly contribute to eco-friendly living. When sourced responsibly, wood is a renewable resource that can have a significantly lower environmental impact compared to synthetic materials. Homeowners can prioritize sustainably harvested wood, allowing them to furnish their homes in a way that supports environmental conservation. By choosing minimalist wood pieces, individuals can embody their values of sustainability while creating a beautiful living space. This alignment of personal ethics with home decor can foster a deeper sense of satisfaction and pride in one's living environment. Another compelling aspect of minimalist wood furniture is its ability to promote mindfulness and intention in home design. Minimalism encourages individuals to be thoughtful about their possessions, focusing on quality over quantity. By selecting wood pieces that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing, homeowners can cultivate a sense of purpose in their decor. This intentionality can lead to a more serene living environment, where each item serves a specific purpose and contributes to an overall sense of balance. The simplicity of minimalist wood furniture encourages individuals to focus on what truly matters, allowing them to create spaces that reflect their priorities and values. The tactile qualities of wood also play an essential role in enhancing the overall experience of a home. The natural texture and warmth of wood invite touch, creating an inviting atmosphere that engages the senses. This sensory aspect can have a profound impact on well-being, as environments that engage multiple senses tend to foster relaxation and comfort. In minimalist design, where the focus is often on visual simplicity, the tactile quality of wood can provide an additional layer of depth, making a space feel more dynamic and engaging. Furthermore, minimalist wood pieces can enhance the functionality of a home in various ways. Many modern wood designs prioritize multifunctionality, allowing homeowners to maximize limited space while maintaining a clean aesthetic. For instance, a minimalist wooden bench can serve as both seating and storage, providing practicality without compromising style. This versatility is particularly valuable in urban settings, where space is often at a premium. By incorporating minimalist wood furniture, homeowners can create flexible living environments that adapt to their changing needs. The emotional connection that individuals often have with wood furniture should not be underestimated. Many people associate wood with nostalgia, comfort, and family memories. This emotional resonance can enhance the overall atmosphere of a home, making it feel more personal and meaningful. Minimalist wood pieces can evoke feelings of warmth and familiarity, encouraging a sense of belonging and connection. By selecting furniture that resonates on an emotional level, homeowners can create spaces that nurture relationships and foster a sense of community. Moreover, the environmental impact of minimalism itself aligns perfectly with the use of wood in home design. Minimalism advocates for reducing consumption, focusing on quality over quantity, and prioritizing experiences over possessions. By incorporating minimalist wood pieces into their decor, homeowners can embrace these principles while making a conscious effort to live more sustainably. This commitment to simplicity and sustainability can lead to a more fulfilling lifestyle, where individuals prioritize what truly matters and let go of excess. The affordability of minimalist wood furniture is another significant benefit, especially for those looking to create a modern home on a budget. While some may assume that quality wood pieces come with a high price tag, many manufacturers offer affordable options that do not compromise on quality or design. By shopping smart and considering local artisans or thrift stores, homeowners can find beautiful wood furniture that aligns with their minimalist aesthetic without breaking the bank. This accessibility allows a broader range of individuals to embrace minimalist design, making it possible to create stylish and inviting spaces on a budget. In addition to affordability, minimalist wood pieces can serve as a canvas for creativity and personalization. The simplicity of these designs allows homeowners to experiment with various combinations of colors, textures, and accessories. By incorporating textiles or decorative elements that reflect their unique style, individuals can enhance the overall aesthetic without overwhelming the minimalist ethos. This creative freedom can be a rewarding aspect of home decor, allowing for a dynamic and ever-evolving living environment. Well, there you have them, our hand-picked minimalist wood pieces ideas for affordable modern homes. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.